Ark, bark.
Alright, so what did Todd figure out today?
I figured out how to communicate in the way you were already communicating, which is the now. People don't. I'd rather just get into your messenger feed instead of having to get into your Facebook feed. It's a lot easier to get in the messenger feed and have people discover you that way and send them notifications, because email is just about done. It's all right here, right in front of your face. You know, I've just been exploring. It's all about exploring and then doing. So I think I figured out something. It could be a big pivotal point of a way to communicate with our fans, our customers, everybody in a very simple and easy way.
So basically what Todd's talking about is utilizing Messenger as a kind of way of communicating directly with our customers when we already send them messages for pending invoices and stuff like that. But now we're going to get them on this automated program where every time I go live, it'll send them a message and you can opt in or opt out. And it's just like a great way to connect with and stay on track with our customers. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes look at my Valentine's makeup tutorial. I just filmed it, so this is the look, and the video will go live next Monday. I used the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, if you're wondering, to create just a really pretty smoky, sort of sultry, pinky look for Valentine's Day. And one of the things that I enjoy most about this job is being able to create content that not a lot of other fashion boutique companies would probably put on their platforms. Like, a lot of companies are focused on selling items. We're not focused on just selling clothing. We're focused on providing customers with value in the form of different types of content creation. So hopefully a lot of our customers, you guys will see this tutorial and maybe, you know, take advice from it or whatever, and that's the kind of stuff we want to put out. We don't just want to put out fashion. You know, it's other things. It's lifestyle, it's beauty. It's all the spectrum to be a helpful source for everyone. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a little blurb on that, and then yeah, this tutorial will go live next Monday. So update on the Ark and Aardvark animated movie investing. They just called Todd. What'd they say? They say you're out?
No, you know, he's sending me the
he is still wants
package. Mail it out to me today, and just want to make sure that I was knew a couple things, that money could be tied up for 18 months, so I could be an investor in Ark and Aardvark.
Ark and Aardvark.
Ark and Aardvark.
Ark and Aardvark.
Whatever it's called.
You're saying bark.
Aardvark.
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 Yeah, Aardvark and Aardvark.
An Aardvark. I don't know what that is.
I don't know either.
Anyways, director of Kung Fu Panda, directing this movie. How many opportunities are you gonna get a pamphlet or investment sheet?
Dude, that's cool. Are you just gonna kind of see where it goes?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have the money to put in this. So maybe if I talk to a few people and they give me the money.
There you go.
I don't know.
Who wants to invest? Leave your comments below.
I can start soliciting. Ark and Aardvark.
Alright, so the Ark and Aardvark has sent Todd the paperwork. The investment paperwork.
This offering is an opportunity to profit from the film box offering as well as all the ancillary revenue sources in the film industry now. So.
That is something.
Alright,
Todd. Ugh. God, we're about to film Todd's Take, and he's talking about his. Should we show him?
Yeah.
He has this big old lump on his shoulder. It's just a bruise.
It's not from
What is that? Oh my God.
It's from the kids jumping on my shoulder.
You look like Alien. You know what Alien movie when there's things. I don't like that. It's like there's an alien underneath your skin and it's gonna come out.
Totally. It feels like a worm's in there.
Oh my God. Do you have a monster inside you?
Yeah. So just words of advice. My goal is for you to be irreplaceable, but don't ever think you're irreplaceable. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. If you have that mentality, then you start slacking.
All right, ready?
Hey!
Redo that.
Hey girls!
Hey girls!
And we're back for Todds Take number 3. And today I'm going to show you, is it 4? 4. Hey girls! No. And I'm back for Todds Take number 4. And today we're talking luxurious, flowy staples for spring and summer. And some other cute things I have in mind. First up is this gorgeous wrap boho print maxi dress. Put this on and you'll be all complete. Next up we have one of my favorite pieces so far. Is this amazing pleated little tank, and it is lined, which is a big plus. Super cute keyhole back, and it's flowy fit. Details, little fringe with details, little ruffles with details. Everything's in the details. Chanel on the floor, my muse. Look at this. Oh, Forever Chic just came in, and it is, you know, flowy. We don't wear tight fitted stuff anymore. It's all about flows and frills, and this one is just A+. Non-sheer. Let's spin around this before. Oh, and the back is just take me to the party. We'll see you next week on Todds Take number 5.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Behind the Pulse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave your feedback down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already.